of celebration, camaraderie, and shared joy. Again, before this, can we have the best man, Sir JC, John Christopher? Let's have the best man speech. Yeah. Yeah. JC, what's your message to our newlyweds, to your brother and to your new sister?
Okay. Sige. Dito na lang. Okay, sige. Dito katabi ako sa kanila. Sige. Um, yeah. Okay, sige. At the risk of, setting the bar too high of best speeches of the night, I was able to compress my 2-hour speech into a 1-hour speech. So okay na ba? Ready na ba kayo lahat? Well, first of all, I would like to say, isn't it romantic when, we were worshiping earlier and then the thunder started roaring and the rain started pouring? Kasi sabi nga nila, when the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you throughout the storm. Father, you are king, and mercy mild. I will be still, know that you are God. Yes. Bible version. Yes, let's go. Yeah. But on a serious note, ako and si Macmac, we have like a 2-year age gap. So basically, we grew up together. We went to the same grade school together. We took a break when we were in high school, but we went to the same college together. I took computer science. He took computer engineering. I went to join the student council. He went to join the student publication. And believe it or not, his first job and my second job, we actually coincide at work. We were workmates for like 2 years, 2 or 3 years. So when the pandemic hit, so hindi lang kami naging colleagues. We were actually roommates, we were office mates, and we were colleagues. So every time I have questions about programming as a project manager, so I would consult him. And I think that's the time that we got really close when, you were locked in together. So even though kasama mo na siya your whole life, di ba? Parang you still get to know a lot of things that wasn't there because meron siyang outside life. But the pandemic really brought us closer. And what I really like about Mac is that he's very supportive of me. So when I went to the States in September or October 2021, so I asked him, okay lang ba na umalis ako for a month because he will be the one left with my mama and my papa. And he said like, okay lang, yeah, because it's for my cousin's wedding. So um, I was supposed to go home in October 2021, but then my flight got canceled because of the pandemic. So they tightened the borders in Taiwan, so I wasn't able to go home. And I asked him again, so is it okay that if I stay a little bit more here in the States? And he said, no worries about that because, he always got my back. And then, tumagal ng 6 months yon na nasa States ako and he was the one taking care of my mom and my dad. Si Papa, around January that time, that was his first heart attack. So it was a very tough moment because he had to be locked inside the ICU with Papa for I think ilang weeks, 1 week. So it was very tough. But I never heard anything from him. I never heard any complaint from him. A lot of people will say that I look a lot younger than him. I think it's more than the physical aspect of things. Emotionally, mentally, and intellectually, he is a lot more mature than I am. And every decision that I make, even though I know that I'm firm with that decision already, every time that he will give his go signal, I will always be comforted with the fact that I have someone that supports me every step of the way. So I am grateful for that support. And when it was his time to have our support, because there's a message from one of the recruiters on LinkedIn asking him if he is interested in applying for a job in Singapore. So that's when I told him like you should go for it. I mean, at the first stages of it, it's still uncertain pa siya. But during that moment, we still wanted to support him. And even though marami kaming expenses that time, so lahat ng flights namin, lahat ng hotels namin, when it was like that job offer was already there, we swiped everything in our cards. Even the down payment for the condo that we were looking for, kinash in namin sa credit card because it was worth the risk, you know? And when we went to Singapore and we got to see this beautiful condo unit, this one room, we actually looked for just one room and we immediately go for it. When we when we gave the down payment to the landlord, that's when it started to sink into me that, oh my God, this is the end of an era. And I've always considered Mac to be the Chandler to my Joey. So if you know friends, Joey is the one who's always so reckless, who's always so indecisive, and Chandler is the more responsible one. So he's always been the Chandler to my Joey. And I know that, the bad era is like a period in time that happened. Significant things have happened. So there was an era that we were very close growing up. So that was a very long era. It ended that time. And then a new era came in with Celine here. So at first, syempre, as I've been with my brother for 31 years or 31 years at that time. So I was off the fence. And sabi nga niya, 'di ba, he's gone through a lot of heartaches before. And to be honest, I never really liked his ex-girlfriends. And you were an exception. Yeah, you were an exception. And sabi na rin ni Makmak to that you've been with him through the highest and the lowest parts of our lives. And when Papa was hospitalized, you were there by his side. Even though we are very close, there are some things that he's not comfortable talking to me, obviously, because we're both like we're brothers. So there are things that he can't discuss with me, and I know that he can discuss with you. So with that, I'm very thankful that he has you, and I am looking forward to visiting you guys in Singapore. Sabi ni Mama July daw, pero kaya ba ng July? But yeah, I'm grateful to both of you, and that's it. So let me get my glass. I'll be back very quick. Hold on. No, I want the red wine. So, so I would like to propose the toast. Everybody, raise your glass to Mark and Celine. I know that it's gonna be crazy sometimes. I know it's gonna be ugly sometimes. But what we can't deny is that it's going to be a beautiful start of a relationship and a life as a married couple. So let's end the toast because I wanna start drinking. Let's go. Cheers to the bride and groom. Thank you.
Thank you so much, JC, for that very wonderful relationship with these two. Sobrang, di ba? Kung si Celine ay added to the family nila Mark, syempre si Mark din to the Bugkat family. Oh, you may now drink it. Ayan. So, while we are serving, so salad po muna, Mark and Celine will go round for the photo op. Right? Yeah, so let's start with table number 1. Here muna. Mag-iikot ang ating couple with the table. So, dyan lang po kayo sa inyong mga upo.